Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. As you know, on Sundays we have Sunday market analysis, as whereby I break down the charts that I'll be trading this coming weekend. Also guys, you get to see how I analyze the chart, and also I'll be showing and giving you some tips. And guys, we've really had a great week. All our trades take profit, zero losses. Once again, it's been a great week. And also guys, I'd like to emphasize, please share, like, subscribe, so that I can be able to put more content. You guys have been very much supportive, and I appreciate all the support you guys are giving to me. And also don't forget to click on the bell to get notifications whenever I post videos. You'll be able to get them. And also please do not forget guys to click on the links below if you like to get signals from the winning group, the VVIP. It's only $30 per month, and also our course, it's running on promotion guys, the Black Friday promotion. Please click below on the website, get it now. The cost was $247. It's going now for $124. Yes, correct, 50% off on the course. It's only going up until the 31st of November. Please do the right thing, get it now, don't miss it. This is the only forex trading information you have been looking for. So guys, without further wasting much of your time, let's get into the chart and look at the pairs that I'm looking at. I'm looking at the US30 and the Nasdaq, known as the Dow Jones, and the NAS100. Come join me into the charts. Hi guys, welcome to the chat. It's your boy Ofentse again. Without wasting much of the time guys, we're gonna start with the Nasdaq 100. Guys, you need to understand how to trade Nasdaq, and you need to understand the fundamentals. Basically, you need to know what you are trading. So basically, I'm a technical trader, I'm a day trader. What I usually do, I get informed by the news, but I don't trade the news. So basically, I'm a technical trader. So basically, let me just show you and get into the chart and show you what I'm looking at this coming week. Basically, what I'm looking at now, I see the Nasdaq. Start with the 4 hour time frame. Okay, I'm on the 4 hours. So basically, you need to understand the way indices move. Nasdaq is a type of indices whereby the top 100 companies in America are combined together, and they are put at their at their statistics. So basically, you get to understand how those top 100 companies move. You understand? So basically, you need to have a look at what is happening. You can also tune into CNBC to get informed about the news, what is happening. But also remember that you need to get your mind into proper channel. You need to channel your mind so that you can be able to know what you are trading. So basically, you can look at what is happening at the moment. Look at this bearish long 4 hour candle. You wouldn't know that it will go down because you are on 4 hour, but then you need to understand that it is a very volatile type of indices. So basically, hence we trade it on smaller time frame. You understand? So basically, the highest time frame that we use as our higher time frame will be the 4 hour chart. Then we'll go down to 1 hour chart. Then you'll see it is at most visible, but not that visible. So basically, you tend to break down the market. You break it down so that you can be able to go down to a smaller time frame again. Then we go to 15 minutes. You can also go to the 30 minutes, but I prefer going to the 15 minutes because I've done the 1 hour. So basically, 30 minutes and 1 hour are much closer to each other. So I'll go to 15 minutes. So basically,
I'll just show you what we're really having here. Look at what was happening here. So basically all those chart patterns that I was telling you guys about, they are very much visible, and you can see that you are able to draw them with ease here on 15 minutes. But you must remember that I check my entries on 5 minutes and 1 minute on indices because they are very much volatile. So I like to get in before it even moves, you understand, so that I'm able to capitalize on the moves. So basically learn to understand how you are trading as a human being, so that you can be able to adapt and reveal your characteristics, because often trading reveals your character. If you are a quick person or a slow person, basically most people, if they are slow, they tend to swing trade. They put trades and they hold them for 4 days, a week, or weeks, you understand. So basically I myself, I'm a day trader. I trade each and every day. I like to sleep with profits closed, you understand. I can be I'm able to swing as well, but at the moment, and since I've mastered the day trading, I prefer day trading, you understand. By the time I go to sleep, I've secured my profits. Money is in my trading account. I can either withdraw it, or tomorrow I know that my losses will eventually increase. So basically what it does, it helps me grow my accounts very quickly, you understand. So I've mastered that strategy, and I'm able to share with you guys if you click on the link and join our course now. So basically this is just what we're looking at, just what happened the previous week. You can see what we're looking at. As I've explained before, you know guys how I trade. This was the impulse, then this correction impulse. So basically this was an easy peasy trade. I hope everyone got it. We got it in the premium group, we got it in the signals group. I sent out the signal members with blues. They made a lot of money. So guys, let me just show you what we are looking at currently this coming week. This is what I'm looking at. As you can see, this level of area here, price went up, then rejected one and went pushed up. So basically I like to see what is gonna happen around this level here, you understand. So basically this acts as my support, this level here. So basically if this decides that it wants to go up, it must come back and retest, understand. So basically this is what can possibly happen. Let me just use arrows, something like this, before it goes up, you understand. So let's go to 5 minutes. So you can see what we are having here. It's that type of level of resistance. So I'm expecting a retest come back here, come a little bit down before we shoot up. So since it's already moving, then what we normally do, what we call as trade management, we're gonna draw our line like this. Just let me put it here. Yes. So what I'm expecting is for this to continue going, then come back down, then give us, this is what I'm expecting on the NAS100, you understand. Subsequent to that, if it impulses heavy, then if it passes this, then corrects to the downward, then we are definitely shooting up. So basically I'm expecting this move to prove itself, what it wants to do, you understand. So basically it will definitely show me that it wants to continue going up. If it impulses further up, then come back with the retracement, the correction, then we'll definitely go long on it, you understand. So but if it continues to correct upward, we are looking for short moves. So basically this is just what we're looking at on the NAS100. So basically guys, you need to understand that you need to plan for the trade that you take. You don't just wake up and take the trades. You need to plan for the trades. You need to be well aware of the trade. So basically what I do, I usually jot down and write down what I'll be trading and what setups I'm expecting. Understand? So basically, when the market opens, I'll be able to go back and say, okay, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, did it happen or did it not happen? Then I'm able to adapt to if the market changes its conditions. So let me just go to the Dow Jones, one of my favorite indices. We are really killing it. So with the Dow Jones, guys, it's not as easy as it looks. Practice makes it become easy. You need to understand and the way you're trading, you understand. As I mentioned, that trading will eventually reveal your character and what type of person you are. So you need to know the type of information that you are feeding your brain and the type of knowledge you are more comfortable with, and also how you apply it at most gives much more advantage and disadvantages. So basically, with our course, you have a lifetime support. I'm your mentor. I give you lifetime support, and I'm able to hold your hand and give you the do's and don'ts of forex, and you are able to understand how I trade and also get free premiums analysis. You are added in a premium group, and you also get one-on-one consultations. So basically, that's just about how we make sure that you guys get everything that you've paid for. You get the value for your money. So let's look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones, the way we're looking at it, we can see that price is just bouncing in between these two. You understand? But subsequent to that, we had an impulse to the downside. You understand? And then what we see is this becoming a range. So basically, price is just ranging between these two areas, which is the resistance, and this one will be the support. Okay, so we can see that price is just bouncing between the two. There's no break that has happened yet. You understand? It's just a small rejection here. You can see price, they took down the sellers to kick them and then went back, and those who bought early, you can see that they pushed them a little bit down to take them out. So what I'm looking at now, this as it is, it's a range. Market is bouncing up down between price to 9519 and price to 9194. But inside this very range, I'm seeing some sort of a correction. Understand? This to me looks like a big correction. I'm expecting that move, but that's in the bigger picture in 15 minutes. But then you have to go down. Let's go down to 5 minutes so that we can be able to break it down and see what we are really seeing. Because you can see what was happening here. It was a correction to the upside, then price impulse down. Then what did we have? We have an impulse and correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. You understand? So basically, this is just about what we'll be looking at now, whether we are looking for an impulse or correction, which phase are we in. So what I'm definitely trying to look at now is what is the current movement. You see, we are on 1 minute, and now I'm seeing this type of formation here. You understand? As I've explained, that if price shoots up impulsively, then corrects to the upside, then you should expect a reversal. Understand? So this is just what we are looking at now. Price is going up, then it's correcting. This is just what we are looking at. And what can really happen around here is we can have a double bottom. Can have a double bottom around here, or price can come here and touch this support, descending support line here, then before we shoot up. So because this is just what I'm seeing now, you understand? Because of this movement that we saw here, we know that at this level here we would definitely sell. You understand? This is true. The same as what is happening here. You have an impulsive move to the upside, then correction further to the upside, then you have a move, a reversal, then correction. You understand? So basically, this is just what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this as a correction on its own if I take it to this. Understand? It is a correction, but becomes a little bit steep. You understand? You see, it's a correction. This is just what I'm expecting, guys. So guys, please don't trade without a stop loss, and also have your risk management in place, guys. Do not risk all your account. Make sure your risk management is in place, guys. I emphasize this on week in my group so that guys don't blow their accounts. And also, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell ding, so that you can be notified anytime and every time I post new videos. And also, guys, comment below with the topics that you guys would like me to put it out there for you guys to know and understand your forex trading. Forex Heroes, guys, is determined to give you guys the knowledge that you guys deserve. If you'd like to learn from me directly, click on the link below. YouTube, I post new videos, I post informative videos about forex trading, I post the way I analyze the charts. So basically, you can basically see that, guys, I'm giving you all this information so that whenever you come and enroll for the course, you are able to be aware of the way I trade. You understand, guys? But that's just the basics that I provide to YouTube, guys. For more information and the strategy and everything else that's combined into the course, the Forex Heroes Premium course, you know what to do. Click on the link below. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse. See you next time.